Meyers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a clean with me, but before we do that, I wanted to share an inspirational quote from Valerie Burton, and here it is. Resilience requires authenticity. In the moments when we most believe we have it together and do things perfectly, it is our willingness to admit that maybe we don't have the answers, and that becomes our saving grace. By giving ourselves permission to be imperfect opens the door to connect authentically with others. You don't have to be perfect to be successful. I hope that inspired some of you today, gave you a little bit of inspiration, as I hope that this cleaning video helps you clean your house today. So with further ado, I'll go ahead and let you guys watch.
The fact that I'm obsessed with you. I hope I don't scare you too much, babe. I wish to flatter, not alienate. Since I met you, my life's like a train running smooth. I've been made for you. And when no one is listening, I confess. I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed. The fact that I'm obsessed with you. So when no one is listening, I confess. I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed with you. And when no one is listening, I confess. I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed with you.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. I went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost.
break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.